Hello, graduates. As you stand on the hold on your future, considering the myriad of career paths available to you. By the way, I am Nelson M. Lambinis Jr. and I am from B2 Section 2. You to complete the noble profession of teaching. Teaching is not a job, it is a called vocation that shapes minds, inspires talents, and leaves in lasting impact on generations to come. Why choose teaching? First one is Impact Lab as a teacher. You have the power to mold young minds, instill knowledge, and ignite a passion of learning. Your influence extends far beyond the classroom, shaping the future leaders of tomorrow. Number 2, continuous learning. Teaching is a profession that thrives on growth and development. Every day presents new challenges and opportunities for personal and professional advancement. Third, job security. The demand for qualified teachers is constant, ensuring stable employment opportunities and career longevity. Privilege and benefits of teaching. First one is context for transfer. This privilege allows teachers to agree or disagree with being transferred to a different location or school. Teachers have the right to give their consent before being recollected, considering the purpose and preferences safeguard in disciplinary procedure. Teachers are entitled to fair and transparent disciplinary procedures to protect the rights. This ensures any disciplinary action taken against teachers follow clear guidance, ensuring fair due process. No discrimination. Teachers should not face discrimination based on factors such as gender, race, or religion. This privilege ensures that teachers are treated fairly and equally regardless of person characteristics. For marriage employ the same locality, apostles who are both the teachers should have the opportunity to work in the same area for convenience. This benefits couples to coordinate their professional lives to support with other careers. Fifth, academic freedom. Teachers have the freedom to teach and express ideas without undue interference. These principles allows educators to explore diverse subjects, present findings without censorship, and teach in a manner they consider professionally appropriate. 6. Not more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching. Teachers should have reasonable limits on the number of hours spent teaching in the classroom. This guidelines aims to maintain a balance between teaching responsibilities and personal well-being. 7. Additional compensation for activities outside normal duties. Now, teachers may receive extra pay for participating in activities beyond the regular teaching responsibilities. This additional compensation recognizes and rewards teachers for their extra effort and contributions. 8. Salaries comparable to other occupations. Teachers should receive salaries that ensure a reasonable standard of life for themselves and their families. This privilege ensures that teachers are fairly compensated for their works in education. 9. Salaries appropriated by local government. It is very important to all professions. Local government should ensure that teachers' salaries are not less than those paid to teachers of the national government. You know why? This guidelines aims to maintain equitable pay standard for teachers across different regions. And now, cost of living allowance. This allowance provides additional financial support to help teachers cope with the cost of living, ensuring that their salaries remain adequate in challenging economic condition. Last one is special hardship allowances. Special hardship allowances are additional payments provided to teachers who work in challenging or hard to reach areas. This allowance aims to support teachers facing difficult work conditions, such as remote locations or areas with limited resources, by providing them with extra financial assistance. 12. Medical examination free of Teachers are entitled to receive a free medical examination once a year during their professional life. This benefit ensures that teachers can maintain their health and well-being, allowing for early detection of any medical issues and promoting overall wellness. Prohibition of unauthorized deduction from teachers' salaries. These guidelines safeguards teachers from unauthorized deduction from their salaries. It ensures that teachers receive their full pay without any unauthorized or unlawful deductions, protecting their financial rights and ensuring for compensation for their work. 13. Study leave allows teachers to take time off from their regular duties to engage in educational opportunities such as attending classes, preparing for exam, or conducting research projects. These benefits enable teachers to enhance their knowledge and skills through continuous learning and professional development. 15. Indefinite leave. Indefinite leave refers to the right of teacher to take extended leave from work without losing job security. This provision allows teachers to address professional. So, choosing a career in teaching is not just about imparting knowledge. It is about making a difference, leaving a legacy, and shaping the future. Embrace the opportunity to inspire, educate, and empower the myths of tomorrow. Join us in the noblest profession of teaching, where every day brings new possibilities and the chance of make a lasting impact. Remember, the future is in your hands. Choose teaching, and together, let us shape a brighter tomorrow. Bye-bye and God bless us all.